Alright, you box breakers and pack rippers, welcome back to another special live episode of the Box Breakers here at Joe's Card Shop, Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles on 24th Street in Osborne. Check them out on Facebook, give them a call, help you out with sports, non-sports, grading. Always gives us a good deal here, and always appreciate him letting us film. Lost my my opening device. There it is. Whoa. Here we are, the Box Breakers. Alright, so today we have Star Wars Galactic Files 2018 trading cards. You get 10 packs plus one commemorative patch. We opened up a hobby box of this. If you haven't seen that, go back and check it out. These are from Topps trading cards. We should be able to get through all these real quick. Oh, that's cool. So there's your patch card. Nice. And then 10 packs. So let's just go ahead and open all these up real quick. And box number 3. Alright, if you want to read some of the odds, maybe that'll focus. There we go. We'll do it Star Wars style. Oh, there's your send away too. We're still got to do that. You can send in. Oh, you got till November 7th. I think are we past November 7th? It's got to be postmarked by November 7th. Anyway, you can get some free cards. We did a how-to video of how to get free cards. We're going to be posting the results of those once we get them. Alright, these are going to fall over. Here we go. Let's see how fast we can get through these. I think what we'll do, since we know the patches are over there, we'll just open up a bunch of these. We'll open up 10 at a time. That way we can fly through them a little bit better. Three. There's 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Alright, these are 10, now we got 10 packs ready to roll here. Alright, we got our Steelers fans' favorite card, the BB-8. Maybe that'll make her happy. There's Click Clack, Yoda in the orange. I don't know who that guy is or how to pronounce his name. Knocked. The First Order Troop. There's the Admiral, Kylo Ren. Tristan Wren. Lieutenant. There's Numa. Morph. Commander Juan Sato. There's Luke Skywalker. See you around, kid. There's Blue Yoda. Doesn't look like that's numbered either. General Hurst, R2-D2. It's cool. Olin Musters. General Hux. Jedi Starfighter. Kilogram. Vault Screamers. Colonel Datu. Corporal Tonk. Okay, if you've seen our video where we opened the hobby box, we got an autograph of Corporal Tonk, and we've never been so disappointed. Whoa, look at these dudes. The Hask triplets. BB96. I don't even remember that. BB96. It looks like the bad BB8. There's a blaster. Death Trooper. There's Rey with the orange. There's Chewie and Han Solo. Whoa, look at that one. I don't even know what that is, but that's cool. There's Darth Vader. FX7. Commander Fox. The Sith Return. Chewbacca. Chancellor Palpatine from the animation. There's the Emperor. U-Wing Gunship. General, Admiral, I don't know who any of these people are. Anakin Skywalker. Oh, another R2-D2. R2-D2. What's this one? Starkiller base. That's cool. The Emperor Throne Room. Another Chewie. Darth Bang. This guy is like super scary. Jalen Erso. There's Yoda. The greatest teacher failure is. Alright. Ketchin. Oh, green. Finally we get a numbered one. 199 on the green one. Is that our first green hit? It must be. Alright, there's Anakin Skywalker. Don't know who any of these are. Obi-Wan. We pulled him out of number 1 of 199 or something like that in our hobby box. Death Star Gunner. It's not numbered. There's that dude. Oh, here's everybody from the Resistance. Look at this. It's like team photo. Okay, everybody gather in. Alright, C-3PO. Scooch in a little bit. Okay, Chewie. Bend down. Alright, BB-8. Alright, everybody's in. Okay, smile. Good. Nice picture, guys. Alright. And there's our final one. Alright, so we'll do that again. We'll open 10 packs and we'll burn through them. And that'll show what each box has. Pack number 3. Pack number 4. 5. Doesn't want to come open. I lost track of how many we're on. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. One more and that makes our second stack of 10. Alright, let's see how we do. If I don't know the name, we're just gonna burn through them. Joe's trying to get out of here. And we got a lot of cards to go. There's Yoda. Imperial Snowtrooper. I will pick up all my mess. You don't worry about that. Okay. Senator Vasper, never heard of him. Okay, here's a blue one. This should be numbered on the back. Or no, it's the green ones. Sorry. It's the green ones that are numbered. There's Finn. There's a blaster. Shore Trooper. There's that evil BB-8 again. Captain Phasms. What if he doesn't survive? He's worth a lot to me. Okay. There's Ray again. Oh, I see a purple one back there. That'll be numbered. It's Imbo, numbered 3 of 99. Cool. I don't know who Imbo is. That's our first purple one of these boxes. Oh, remember this guy from the first one? How can you forget those eyes? Oh, there's that guy. He looks cute and cuddly. First Order Snowtrooper in an orange. It's not numbered. There's Anakin Skywalker. Looks evil in that one. Princess Leia. Watu's shop. Remember him? He had little Anakin Skywalker building stuff for him. There's Yoda again. There's that dude. He's cool looking. Darth Vader. Another Darth Vader. Another R2-D2. There's the Millennium Falcon. That one's cool. Check that out. Nice.
Barbies?
Nice. I like that one. Oh, a green one. Numbered to 199. Lando Calrissian. Space Slug. There's Han Solo. Whoa, what's that guy? I don't even know who that is. I don't even know who that guy is. Alright, we got 10 packs left, and then we got our 3 commemorative patches to go. Let's see how fast we can get through this. Ooh, there's General Leia. Princess Leia. I'll just go ahead and mention this now. If you guys haven't hit the like and subscribe button, go ahead and do that. Hit the notification bell. We're doing free giveaways all the way to 1,000 subscribers, so make sure you share with your friends. We got all sorts of stuff to give away. If you're into sports or non-sports, whatever you may be, we'll let the person choose whatever they might want for their giveaway. What's up, man? Good. Joe will be right back.
What's that?
So Joe will be right back. Yep, 30 packs of Star Wars and 3 commemorative patches.
What's that?
30 packs of Star Wars.
Oh, really? Yeah, how's it going? Might have grabbed a seat here.
Sure.
Oh, no, it's great. There you go.
All right. We're here at the card shop where you never know what's going to come in. There's C-3PO.
Yeah,
First Order Stormtrooper. Kind of cool. Couple of orange ones. There's Obi-Wan again. So far, I think for the money, it'd probably be better to buy a hobby box. That's just my personal review, product review. But oh, here's a blue one. Oh, never mind. I thought that was going to be numbered. It's the green ones and the purple ones that are numbered. There's a green one right there. Numbered 10 of 199. Kylo Ren. Green and purple. R2-D2. Padme.
This used to be a hot item
Black Sun.
back in the
I don't know what that is.
Nowadays,
Purple Tonic.
oh, because
Told you about how he was our autograph and ruined our day. Not really ruined it, but Tristan Wren, still not numbered. Death Trooper.
I appreciate you bringing them in, though, man. Yeah.
Oh, here's a purple one. Number 74 of 99.
Will Clark? Yeah. No, he was a great hitter. Yeah, he was. Yeah. He was normally right around 300 all his career.
Kylo Ren in the blue.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Chewbacca. Xylo Beast. There's Princess Leia. Orange. Alright, let's get to the good stuff. We want to see what's in our patches. What do we get for our patches? Alright, first patch. Congratulations. Looks like Rogue One. Congratulations, Blade. You got Baze Malbus. Remember him? He was buddies with the guy who said, "I'm one with the Force is one with me. I'm one with the Force is with me." Remember that guy? And he walked into battle. That was his buddy with the big gun that protected him. Alright, patch number 2. Oh, and I think these should be numbered. Oh, congratulations, Darth Vader. Number 28 of 50. Nice. And this is from, looks like the original Star Wars movie poster, I think. Check that out. That's cool. You have received a movie poster card. Nice. Oh, so they're not all numbered.
So they're closed, I guess, huh? Oh, they're closed already? Yeah.
Alright, and our third patch. It's almost 5 o'clock, Joe. Congratulations, you've received Kylo Ren. So, what movie is this from? Star Wars: The Force Awakens. So we got Kylo Ren, Darth Vader, and Baze. Yeah, Darth Vader from the original Star Wars. So,
Got any Yodas?
yeah, I got a Yoda in here. You want a Yoda card?
What kind of picture is it?
It's a free picture. No, I'll show you. Hang on. Alright, so thanks for tuning in to the Box Breakers, guys. We'll catch you next time. We're here live at Joe's Card Shop, Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles. Check them out on Facebook. And this was your Star Wars Galactic Files 2018 Topps Trading Cards. 10 packs plus 1 commemorative patch.
Yeah, I got a lot
Alright,
of
I'll
baseball
check you guys
cards
next
still
time.
from them back.
Okay, see ya here on the Box Breakers. We're out.